With the inner cycle on. Carbon dioxide concentration. Less than 6 minutes. It's over the limit. What are the effects of high CO₂ levels in a car? The concentration of carbon dioxide in the blood becomes higher and the pH level decreases. The carbon dioxide level rises, causing the pH to decrease. This leads to a decline in concentration and slower reactions. It decreases, resulting in dizziness and drowsiness. Sympathetic nerve activation, it causes irritability. It gets inhibited, leading to fatigue and light-headedness.